Karolis, what are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out how I can automate all my lamps and devices without manually configuring each one.
Oh, I have a solution for you. Just build some digital twins.
What's that?
A digital twin is like a digital version of your physical devices. Let me show you how to build one on Google Cloud Platform.
That sounds awesome. Let's get started.
The solution we built today looks like this. The blue boxes are managed products which we can use directly. The only places where we need to write our custom code are the two yellow boxes, which are cloud functions that links IoT core and pops up with Firestore.
So all the infrastructure will be managed, and we are just writing some custom glue to fit the pieces together.
Yes, let me show you the code. For this project, we need to have IoT core setup. You can find it in the console. I have created a registry, which is a grouping of IoT devices. Under it, I have gateway devices, where our simulated IoT device will be talking to the gateway device. As you can see here, I have my simulated device called Lamp1 bounded to the gateway. You can find the device by clicking on devices as well. Once the lamp is connected, then it will send events to IoT core every second. On event update, the event will be sent from IoT core to PopsUp, and PopsUp triggers the event to cloud functions. I also have another function applying changes from the user to the device. Let's look at the code. I use the device ID as my reference for changes, reading changes from Firestore, and eventually updating the device with the latest info. Now, let's look at the Firebase side. I made a collection of devices with different states like on and off. I also added the mode field for brightness of each lamp. So now, in Cloud Shell, I run my code. See what's happening in Firestore? I have added my lamps so you can see the index is increasing while each one is sending their data to IoT core and Firestore. Let's change the mode of the lamp. Assuming you have an app and change it through that, but I'll change it here manually to soft. The lamp mode immediately changes to soft. This change is real-time and quickly handled by Firestore for you. This is how you can build your own digital twin solution. Try the lamps.
Wow, it worked!
Yes, indeed. Try out IoT Core and Firebase for yourself and the link below.
And don't forget to subscribe for more great Google Cloud Platform content. As simple as that, not even a compile error.
No, not even a compile error.